Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And for today, it's the weekend. It's Memorial Day weekend, and there's no time to rest. I'm going to be changing the filters on my HVAC systems, and that is the extent of my HVAC work. I don't do it. I don't like doing it, but I will change a couple of filters. We'll see when we get there. Here to do more work in the house so you can be nice and cool with a clean filter. Is it your fault we gotta change your filter so much? Come on, Katie. Fess up. This is the extent of my air conditioning work. See that? I already messed up. I don't like to do air conditioning. I don't do it at all. I let the pros do it, like Jenkins and... Oh, how do you open this door over here? Da, 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 da. How do you open this door? Come on now. Oops. I know we unscrew it. People like Jenkins and of the world do all the pro stuff here. And you see I got a tile problem here. There it goes. I'm going to change the filter. She is ready. Oh yeah. Doing its job. Most important is to make sure the filter goes in the same direction. The airflow is going up. Okay. Oops. Oh, geez. Sorry about that, Mr. Filter. Arrow is going up. Okay. Here, so you can pull it out. Airflow going up. Let's get the door. And that is it. Change the filter for you, little kitty. Who?
See, like the corners are different than
What am I fixing today, Marcy?
filter.
Who's the best HVAC guy ever? This is the only kind of HVAC I do.
Change your filter. Isn't it the easiest thing?
It's the only thing I ever do. This furnace is a little, it's in a secret hottest. Get in this little cubby. One of the main reasons I don't do air conditioning. It's really hot up here. It's not even hot yet. Always make sure you put the filter in correctly. So when you take it out, look at. Okay. I'll be honest with you. It's going out. Air filter coming in. I'll be honest with you, these are a little tighter than the other ones. I kind of like the loose ones, so what is your opinion on a tight filter compared to a loose filter, but the correct size? I'm not an HVAC guy, but to me it sounds like it's going to put a little strain on the motor. And that's it, folks. I don't do HVAC. I leave that to the pros. People like J.C. Jenkins. Number 1. My man Herb Settle, number 1. Until next filter change. Everything's running as to be expected on it. That's running good. Let's go downstairs and check. Oh, we have a special guest here today. I want everybody to meet Rambo. Why are you here? You're not allowed to be at the party? You make too much noise? This is Rambo, everybody. He wants me to tickle his chest. You gonna go sleep? Go sleep. How you like that picture? Miss Marcy loves her kitties. This downstairs thermostat's it's set for 73. I'll put on 72. Now, I have a question, everybody out there. I had the opportunity to be on a maintenance program with Mr. Jenkins. I opted not to do it, and I'm thinking I might do it now. What is your thoughts on a maintenance program? Usually I call them out for the startup once a year. I didn't do it this year. I just changed the filters myself, as you saw. The question is, should I get a maintenance program? I guess it's a good idea. Or should I just wait till something breaks down? What do you guys do? I'm the kind of guy that'll wait till it breaks down. Always have. No extended warranty, no nothing. What do you think? What? You have so many toys going on. You got 2 bowls. Is Rambo here? Is that why you're hiding? This is Monroe, everybody. Are you okay? Oh, you winked at me. Alright. That means you're good. Everything's running smoothly. Oh, it's 89 degrees outside. It's hot. It hasn't been hot yet, so nothing's really damp yet. That's a good thing about air conditioning. Keeps everything nice and dry inside the house. I'm a big fan of air conditioning. Leave it on from April till October. Let it run. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate the support. Things coming up in the future are my new van, of course. I'm in the process of looking for a new van. My son's graduating high school, so he'll be working more. CB2's working more. He's done his junior year in college. And a lot of things are going on. The shop's almost done. I will do a shop tour. Been cleaning that up, reorganizing it, just in time for a new van. Yes. So we have a lot of good things coming up in Barron Plumbing. The main thing is to teach my young gunners to trade. We will see you at the next one.